The purpose of this introduction is to emphasize the importance of a well-made abstract presentation to the ERA, which is essential for several reasons. These guidelines aim not only to standardize the format of presentations, but also to increase the impact and clarity of each abstract presentation. Here are some of the benefits of following these guidelines. We recommend that you start with an introduction, in which you explain the background of the problem or area you are going to present information about. Here you should also describe the rationale for what you are presenting. Why is this interesting or important? The second section should be methods, explaining clearly and concisely how you approached the study, what you did, and how you analyzed the information. The next section should be results, in which you present the main findings in the form of text, tables, or figures. Clarity here is essential for a successful presentation. Finally, conclusions, where you state the main findings of this work and how it has advanced knowledge and understanding. Please consider including a figure as well as a table with the results. Do not use small fonts, we suggest to use minimum 28 as font size. References are important but not mandatory and should not be too many as they take up space for results and conclusions. All presenting authors must be regularly registered for the Congress. Following these guidelines will help make complex information more readable and understandable to the audience, thereby improving their understanding and retention of the data presented. For the file submission upload, your presentation must be saved in PDF format. When you are on site in the focused orals room, you will have a touch screen to control your presentation. Your session will be pre-selected. Please select your name. This will open your presentation on the main screen. You can pan, zoom in and out with your fingers, similar to navigating on a cell phone.